So you've got yourself a walking foot, or you're thinking of getting one. Well, what are they? What do they do? And most importantly, how do you fit one so that it works every time? Well, let's find out. So what is a walking foot? It's basically an extra set of feed dogs that feed your fabric from above as the feed dogs on your machine feed them from below. So why do you need a walking foot? Well, it stops the fabric from shifting and puckering when you're sewing, particularly if you're sewing multiple layers, particularly useful for things like patchwork, but dressmaking as well. And it produces an even stitch. So putting your walking foot onto the machine is quite easy, but there is something you do need to make sure you get right. First of all, loosen the screw that holds, in fact, it's possibly best to take that out sometimes. Take that out. And that holds in the clip that holds on your standard foot, your normal foot. Put that to one side. Don't lose it, you'll need it later when you change back. And then the big deal is, you see on this one, there's a notch here. Sometimes it's just a whole bar. But basically, this notch needs to sit with the needle clamp screw in between. And on some, as I say, some of them it's a bar and they need to sit above. The important thing is it doesn't sit below. If it sits below, it won't work. That's it. Make sure you push the foot up as high as it will go and tighten this screw up as much as you can. Stops it from dropping. That's it, nice and tight. So because the needle clamp screw is now sitting in that notch, or as I say, you might have one of those ones where the bar just sits above it, that's in the right place. If I bring that down, I'll drop the foot, I bring that down, you'll see that everything's working. So obviously when you've finished with your foot, you need to put your standard foot back on. It's much the same as what you've just been doing to put your other foot on. A little bit easier because you haven't got any bars or any clamps. Just need to line this up. That's it. Again, push it all the way up so it's at the right height. Tighten that up as far as it will go. Just a little bit more. That's it. And that's it, you've changed back. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe, and try this video next.